Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. First of all, you need to open Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Following that, select App Lock and create PIN that you will use to lock your apps. Then repeat it in order to confirm it. You will also have to answer security question. If you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those, or select Custom Question at the bottom. Create it, and select OK in the pop-up. Then remember to answer it correctly. When you're done, hit Finish at the bottom right corner. Now you can finally lock all of those apps by clicking on the gray sweaters next to the chosen ones. So when I go back and try to access one of them, I can see that PIN is now required. To disable app lock from any app, go into the same settings, tap on app lock and enter your PIN. Now you need to tap on blue sweaters next to locked apps. And in order to disable app lock, select this gear at the top right corner. Then tap on the blue sweater next to app lock feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!